If I buy a house, do I get any perks from the government? Stay tuned, you're about to find out. Hey, welcome back to the video series 9 of the most popular questions asked when buying your first home. In this video, I'm going to explain briefly government incentives and tax benefits. Hi, my name is Brian Feeney, sales representative at eXp Realty Canada. And for those of you that are following me on TikTok, I'm Preaching Realtor. I've been selling homes in the Durham region and Toronto area for over 35 plus years. Oh, before I forget, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit that notification button to get the updates to this series. First-time homebuyers in Canada and Ontario can access various incentives and programs offered by the federal government and provincial governments. Some of these incentives include a first-time homebuyers incentive, a shared equity mortgage program offered by the Canadian government that provides 5 to 10% of the home's purchase price as an interest-free loan. This reduces monthly mortgage payments for first-time homebuyers. Number 2, we have the Homebuyers Plan. This program allows a first-time homebuyer to withdraw up to $35,000 from the Registered Retirement Savings Plan, tax-free to help finance their home purchase. The amount must be repaid within 15 years. Number 3, we have a first-time homebuyer's tax credit, a non-refundable tax credit of up to $5,000 for first-time homebuyers, which can provide up to $750 in federal tax relief. Number 4, land transfer tax rebate. In Ontario, first-time homebuyers may be eligible for a refund of all or part of the land transfer tax up to a maximum of $4,000. And number 5, GST HST new housing rebate. The federal government rebates and allows homebuyers to recover part or all of the GST or HST paid on the purchase price or cost of building a new house, substantially renovating an existing home, or converting our non-residential property into a residential one. Number 6, Ontario Energy and Property Tax Credit, a tax credit for low to moderate income individuals and families that helps offset the cost of property taxes and energy costs in their primary residence. Number 7, Affordable Home Ownership Program. Some municipalities in Ontario offer programs that provide down payment assistance on other financial support to first-time home buyers who meet specific criteria. Remember that eligibility requirements and conditions may apply for each of these incentives, so it's essential to research and consult with a professional to determine which programs you may qualify for. In the next video, we're going to be discussing mortgage approval in more detail. Thank you for watching.